Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install fonts on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is completely loaded up and ready to use. Once your PC is fully booted and you're on your desktop, you're ready to begin the installation process. To get started, open a web browser on your system. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, navigate to google.com. In the search bar, type in FontSpace and press enter. This will bring up various font resources where you can find free and premium fonts to download. From the search results, look for and click on Microsoft Fonts. This is one of the most reliable sources for high-quality fonts that work seamlessly with Windows systems. Once you're on the Microsoft Fonts website, take some time to browse through the available fonts until you find one that suits your need. When you've found a font you like, click on the download button. This will begin downloading the font file to your computer, so give it a moment to complete depending on your internet speed. After the download finishes, you'll need to locate the downloaded font file. Head to your Downloads folder, which is typically found in File Explorer on the left sidebar. Once you're there, find the font file you just downloaded. Most fonts come in compressed formats, so you'll need to extract the file before you can install it. Right-click on the downloaded file and select Extract All or use your preferred extraction tool. This will unpack the font files so they're ready to be installed on your system. Now here's where you'll actually install the font onto your Windows 11 PC. Click on the Start menu at the bottom left corner of your screen and type in Control Panel. Press Enter to open the Control Panel window. The Control Panel is the central hub for managing various system settings, including fonts. From the list of options that appears, locate and click on Fonts. This will open the Fonts folder, which is where all your currently installed fonts are stored and managed. In the Fonts folder, you'll see a preview of all the fonts that are already installed on your Microsoft Windows 11 PC. This gives you a visual overview of what's available on your system. To add your new font, simply locate the extracted font file from your Downloads folder and drag it directly into this Fonts folder. The system will automatically install the font, making it available for use across all your applications like Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Photoshop, and more. It's that straightforward. And that's it. You've successfully installed a new font on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.